Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners. In this video we will see how we can use kill command to kill processes in Linux. So let's get started. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my terminal, and for example I will start some process. So I will go here and I will just start this system settings. Okay, now I know that this is called unity monitor, so I will just use kill command. So how you can use kill command, you can just give kill, and there are some flags, so you can give flags using this minus here, and then the name of or PID of the process which you want to kill, so you give PID here. Okay, so what I need to know is I need to know the PID of a process in order to kill it, right? So first of all I will use a command to know the PID of a process. So just write PID of and then the name of the process. So I know the name of this process, which is this one, is Unity Control Center, right? And I will just press enter, which will give me the PID of this process, right? So in order to know the PID of a process or program, if you know the name, then you can find out the PID of this process, right? Now in order to kill it, I can just write kill and then the PID. So I can just write 3286, which is this one, this PID, and as soon as I will press enter, this is going to be killed or closed, right? So when I press enter, you can see it's killed, right? Now if this command doesn't kill or is not able to kill a process somehow, there is a little bit stronger flag, you can say, you can add to this kill command, and this flag will be something like this. So I will start the process once again, for example this once again, and once again I will find the PID, and if you close or kill the program and start it again, its PID will be changed, so it will not be same every time, right? So you can see its PID is changed, right? Now this time what I want to do is I want to show you one more stronger command, which is kill minus KILL in capital and then the PID, which is this one, right? And this will close the process. It will force the process to be closed, but it's not recommended. But if you need it in some circumstances, then you can use it. Okay, and when I press enter, this will be closed, right? And one more command is kill -9, right? And then the PID name or PID number, right? And this -9 is called sig kill command, and it's also a very little bit powerful command to kill some processes if they are not killed by this simple kill command. So just use this flag -9 and then most probably this process will be killed. Okay, now sometimes you don't even know the name of the process, so how will you find the PID of this process, right? So in order to find out the list of running processes on your system, what you can do is we have seen in the last video how we can use top command, right? So you can either use top, but I have one more command to show you which you can use to find out the PIDs of the processes by their names, and this command is ps, and then you can just write -ux. Okay, so just write ps and -ux and press enter, and this will give you this long list of all running processes, right? And you can see there are different processes running, and on the on the left hand side you can see all these values are the PID, right? So you can just match the the program name with the PID, and then you can use this PID to kill the process. Now for example, I will once again, so you can see there is no this Unity control center here listed because it's not running right now, and there is no process like this. And when I start this, so I'm going to start this once again, and then I will just run this PS UX once again. Then let's see what happens. So I will once again give the same command. Let me clear the terminal first, and then I will just show you this PS minus UX command, and now you can see this process is running. So we know that this is the name of the process, and you can see the PID of the process, and then you can kill it. So just write kill and then 3311, which is the PID. Okay, and then this process will be killed, right? Now in PS command you can also use, for example, this is going to give you the current user processes, right? Now if you want to see all the processes, you can just write PS minus AUX, okay, and A I think stands for all, so it will show you the processes which is run by all users, right? So you can see, you will see the root and the current user also, which is my PC or me, for example, right? And you can see all the list of all the processes which is used by all the users, right? Now for example, if your Linux operating system is containing multiple users and you want to see which processes are run by which user, then you can use for example PS and then minus U, and this will be I think capital U's, and then the username. So I don't have multiple user, but I know that my username is this one, so I will just paste it and then once again press enter, and it's going to give you all the processes run is running by my username, for example, right? So you can see the process name and PID according to this also. Now there is a last command which I want to show you here. So for example, I will just write PS and then minus capital C, and for example a name of a process, for example genome terminal, right? And I will press enter, and you can see it will list out all the instances or all the processes which are related to this program. So there can be multiple, for example, instances of this program running on your system, and then it will show you all the list of all the instances. So in this way also you can use this PS command to find out the PID of a process and then later kill it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.